Turkish Fedai Kamikaze unmanned aerial vehicle testing flight by month. Turkish government-owned Anadolu Agency reported that Turkey will soon have a state-of-the-art multifunctional unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) testing flight, which can be utilized as a self-defense deterrent against drones or used in an assault. Before details, don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for more videos. Fedai, Bodyguard, is a small, tube-launched loitering munitions system equipped with a wing folding mechanism built by Turkish company Transvaro. Transvaro is creating an entire system by adding different algorithms to the Havelsan systems and integrating different components like radar, electro-optical suites, mixing devices and RF, radio frequency, detectors. The company aims to demonstrate the capabilities of the entire system, from detection to destruction within a scenario, including destroying a UAV in the air. When a UAV approaches, radar detects it and warns the electro-optical suite. The electro-optical suite locks and starts to follow the target. At this point, a Fedai Kamikaze unmanned aerial vehicle is put on alert. After the detections, the intercept geometry is calculated by the command and control software and the Kamikaze UAV is launched to counter the threat. Artificial intelligence (AI) supported system that will utilize algorithms to eliminate a threat using the appropriate weapon. The multifunctional unmanned aerial vehicle has a protection system developed to stop UAV/drone attacks, but the vehicle itself can be used for an attack in the future if needed by changing the warhead. Fedai can also be used as an anti-tank, anti-personnel defense system, or a vehicle capable of attacking itself. The wing and follower tracking mechanism structure of the Fedai is different from all other products, adding that when the threat approaches, it explodes on the target with its own optical search system. The Transvaro official informed, and added that the UAV is developed entirely by Turkish engineers. Transvaro was founded as joint venture company in 1988. Transvaro serves Turkish army forces and security forces by manufacturing a wide range of products and systems such as image-intensifying night vision equipment, turnkey simulation systems/centers, IR/laser equipment, electronic/electro-optical systems, electronic time fuses, electronic time setters, message terminal units and minimum metal detectors. Havelsan is a Turkish software and systems company having business presence in the defense and IT sectors. Havelsan is mostly active in the fields of C4 hisar, naval combat systems, e-government applications, reconnaissance surveillance and intelligence systems. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for more videos.